Would you like to make up to $2,000 in a single day? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 high-paying affiliate programs that will pay you what you're really worth. I mean, seriously, you don't want to settle for teeny-weeny commissions like these, right? Look at this. 81 sales and only $94 in commissions? Yuck. That's just nasty. My friend, you are worth way more than $94. And if you've been settling for these little commissions, then you can kiss those days goodbye. Because it's time that you maximize your earnings to the fullest so you can live more comfortably, have more freedom to do the things you enjoy, spend more time with your loved ones, and of course, have a better quality of life altogether. Like being a kid again, right? Look at this kid right here. Looks so joyful, looks so happy, and you could be, waking up on your own terms. Now, here's my question to you. So what if you could make up to $2,000 with just one sale? Believe it or not, you could absolutely do this with the programs that I'm going to show you. And if you're someone who is afraid of selling, you're not technical, or maybe you're just overwhelmed and unsure where to even begin, then please stay with me to the very end of this video because I've got a really cool bonus for you, and I really don't want you to miss out. With all that out of the way, let's get into profit, shall we? Alright, so the very first affiliate program on this list, coming in at number 5 for high-ticket affiliate programs, is a program by the name of 4%. Now, I don't personally promote this, as of right now, or I haven't really promoted this in a while, but 4% is a program that is always going to have a special place in my heart because this is actually the exact program where I got my very first breakthrough online. In fact, if I go over to Partner Center over here, unfortunately, if I click on earnings and payouts, it says like it's currently they're going through some sort of update right now, but so I can't actually go in here and show the current earnings on the site. But I did manage to get a screenshot. This is some of the earnings that I've been able to make with this exact program. I was able to cross my very first $1,000 in affiliate commissions, and with this exact program right here, which was super exciting for me. And when you make your first $1,000 online, it's just something that you never forget, right? You just make your first sale online in general. That's just something that you will always remember for the long term. And just super exciting, right? So what exactly does 4% have to offer as a program itself? So 4% is an education center that offers training on how to build an online business, how to do online marketing, how to do affiliate marketing. They've got a new program here called 7 Steps to Freedom. If we open that up right here, this right here goes over 7 different steps that if you, of course, go through this, this will, of course, help you create the life that you truly want. Having more freedom, having more, time freedom, location freedom, money freedom, really get those long-term results, in the long term. And that is pretty much what this training is all about right here, right? So if you're someone who, you want to learn the skill sets of becoming a long-term stable entrepreneur, this is really just top-notch in terms of the education that you're getting, right? So this is just hands down some of the best when it comes to learning these skill sets. And they've got a ton of different, programs in here. In fact, if we go to, you see like courses, you've got the 7 Steps to Freedom. You've got Mass Traffic Blueprint that shows you how to generate endless traffic online, how to get unlimited traffic to any website, product, or offer. They've got, a program about copywriting mastery, conversion mastery, how to build your email list. They've got a program about, affiliate marketing. So this is their step-by-step, affiliate marketing training right here. They have their own website builder, and they've got a lot of really cool courses and different resources to help you grow your business online and help you become a long-term stable entrepreneur, right? So if you're looking to really build a long-term business online, you want to really learn the skill sets of, not having to rely on any specific one platform or anything along those lines, then 4% is really the program that you want to, of course, check out. And I just seriously cannot recommend it enough. But let's move on to the next affiliate program here. This is number 4 on the list. This is called Regal Assets. Now, basically what this is a investing company where you can invest into metals and cryptos. And what you could do is you can promote this as an affiliate, and pretty much all you have to do is you just refer leads to the company, right? And they actually have a phone sales team that will, of course, follow up with these leads. They'll get on the phone with your members, and they will, of course, walk them through the process of showing them how to, of course, invest in that type of stuff and what to invest in. And this is a company that has been around for quite a while. In fact, as we can see here, it looks like they've had their 10-year anniversary, which is pretty cool. So they've been around for a very long time. Of course, it looks very reputable. They've worked with, plenty of different, brands. It's, been around for a very long time, and it's gotten lots of great reviews, right? So, as you can see, tons of 5-star reviews that they're getting. from different companies, that type of stuff. And basically how this program works is when you refer someone to this company and they invest into something, Regal Assets will pay you a 3% commission. Now you might hear that and you might think, wait a minute, that's not high ticket. That's not you can't make a lot of money with 3% commissions, right? Well, check this out. Regal Assets affiliate program. This right here shows that the average person will invest anywhere from $20,000 up to $80,000 in gold. So these are people that they have lots of money set aside, and a lot of them are willing to invest quite big amounts of money into this program. And when you make a commission of 3% on high ticket sale like $20,000 or $80,000, it's pretty easy to get $3,000 commissions like this right here, right? So it is quite the normal to get these types of commissions and for people to invest this amount of money. It might sound hard to believe, but there are people out there that are willing to invest this type of money in this program, and that is why it is such a lucrative program, especially with the phone sales team that they have right here. Before we move on to the third affiliate program in this list, if you're enjoying this video so far and you like these videos about affiliate marketing, growing an online business, and creating passive income online, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below, and this will be notified of all the new videos that I have on this channel. I've got a lot of really cool videos coming to this channel within the next few weeks, and I'm just super excited to, of course, get back into making videos again. But let's move on to affiliate program number 3, which is called hamakurschlemmer. Not entirely sure how you pronounce it. I'm probably butchering the name, but think of this as like a really high quality like Amazon site or something like that. So they've got tons of different products in various different categories, much like Amazon, but these are products that are kind of more like very high quality, very premium style products. A lot of really cool but very weird products that, some rich people will probably buy or something like that. But check this out. They've got like this sled for $149. You've got this pair of binoculars for like $800. Not sure who would pay $800 for binoculars, but if you want, have at it, I guess. They've got this dual pendulum seesaw for $300 right here, which looks kind of cool. Outdoor Scrabble game, it looks like. Remote controlled Abrams tank for $300. They have this bike for like $1,800. And what's interesting about this program is that, for every sale that you get around 8% commission, which again might not sound like a lot, but when you're selling products like these, for example, that pay you almost $2,000, or maybe even something like, for example, this pedal boat here for $4,500. 8% commission of that, if we do the math right here, I want to add this up. Let's see, 4,500 times 0.08%, what would that be? $360 that you made with just that one sale alone, right? So, I mean, one sale of this, you can make an extra $360, and there's tons of other products on here that I, of course, go through that, are like $8,000, as the price tag, or I've even seen some that are like, $30,000. There's a lot of really weird stuff on this platform if you, of course, look through it. But you could definitely make a lot of money on this platform if you could sell these exact products. Again, not entirely sure who would buy something, who would buy, these types of products, but it is still a pretty cool program and quite an interesting one that I don't hear many people talking about. Let's move on to high ticket affiliate program number 2 in this list, which is a program by the name of Forsaj. Now, Forsaj is one that has, of course, been blowing up these past few months. I believe they started in last February, and I'm not personally into Ethereum myself. I haven't really gotten into it as of yet. However, this is a really cool program that you'd force become a part of, because this is 100% decentralized. And what's really cool about this is that you could still make money with this program even without referring people. Basically, it's like an investment company. You could invest into crypto, and you could still invest into that. Grow it, grow the crypto, and it basically works like a smart contract type of thing right here. 100% online. All funds are transferred between members. There are no hidden fees. You've got instant transactions, so whenever you make commission with this, it can get paid out instantly, and you could easily just withdraw right there. And this is one that is, really blowing up, quite a while, and I'm seeing a lot of members having success with this exact program right here. So this is a really good program to consider checking out. If you want to get into like cryptocurrency, you want to start investing into Ethereum, I highly recommend looking into Forsaj, because it's just a lot of people are having success with this, and I just cannot recommend it enough. But let's move on to number 1 in this list, the program that I recommend over everything else. And if you're someone who is completely brand new, if you haven't really had much success online before, if you are non-technical, let's say that you are not, good when it comes to selling, and you just want something to, of course, help you get up and running as a complete beginner, well, my number one program that I would recommend for you is a program by the name of Profits Passport. Now, Profits Passport works a little bit differently than these other affiliate programs that I showed, but basically what this is it's not so much an affiliate program, but it's more so of a free funnel that you, of course, get access to, and this has up to 7 different income streams that you could, of course, promote in here. And what's really cool about this is, you could promote each of these income streams, individually if you want to. If you want, you could promote, for example, OPM Wealth, or they have Forsaj in here as one of the income streams. You could promote any of these programs individually if you want to, or you could promote Profits Passport, and just by promoting this one link right here, this will promote these seven different income streams for you. So you could refer someone to the system right here. You send them over to this page right here. Whenever they go through, they watch the webinar. This explains everything for them. You don't have to do any selling or telling whatsoever. And what makes this even better for, people who are completely brand new is you don't have to learn email marketing. You don't have to, do any sort of email follow-up or anything along those lines. David Deacle, the creator of this program, does all of the email follow-up for you, and his emails are converting like crazy. And just to give you an idea at this, there's a lot of members having success with this exact program. A lot of newbies that previously not had any success online, before. And this is all just by referring people to this exact page. So pretty much the only thing that you have to learn in order to have success with this program is you just have to learn how to drive traffic. And once you learn that, it's actually not that difficult. There's plenty of ways you could, drive traffic. You've got Facebook, you've got YouTube. You could even do something like solo ads. So there is a site called udemy.com. In fact, that's actually one of the income streams in here that I'll show actually real quick. So income stream number 6 is Udemy. And what you could do is you can go to the site right here. And with basically how this works is you could buy a solo ad from one of these vendors. So, if you want, you could buy like a solo ad from this guy. You could buy anywhere from 100 clicks, all the way up to 1,000 clicks if you want to. And what's really cool about this traffic source is, it's some of the fastest traffic that you can get. So when you buy like a solo ad for, let's say, for example, 100 visitors, you only pay like $70 for that. You put in your link that you want to promote, you add to cart, and then within 24 hours, you have, 100 people going to this page, and anyone who enters their email in, they're going to get coded to you, for the long term. And whenever, someone, responds to one of the emails that David Deacle sends, and they decide to go through it, and they buy whatever products, you will, of course, be credited for all of those sales from these different income streams. Now, if that doesn't sound awesome to you, then I don't know what does, right? So as you can see, there's tons of members having success with this exact program. And what's really great about this program is there's a ton of newbies who have previously not had any success online before, or had very little success. And another benefit with Profits Passport is the very first income stream in this one, which is the most popular. It's called Easy One Up. With this exact income stream right here, you can make anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 per single sale. And keep in mind, this is not like, you're getting like part of the sale, like 30%, anything along those lines. You are getting 100% of the commission paid out to you instantly, just like that. So when you generate a sale of, for example, $2,000, that is $2,000 that you're getting instantly. So when, for example, Darlene makes a $1,000 sale, she gets to keep 100% of that commission. She keeps the entire $1,000. It's not like part of that. She gets the full commission right there. And that is what makes this program so lucrative. So if you are someone who is completely brand new, you haven't really had much success online before, you're just looking to, of course, start getting, into profit, you want to get some momentum going, and maybe later down the road, you want to, maybe then master those other skills like email marketing. You want to do that more, later, then this is one that I seriously cannot recommend enough, right? So if you're interested, check out the link down below. There's going to be a link down below this video. All you have to do is, go to this page right here, enter your email, preferably use a Gmail, and then from there, all you'll want to do is, of course, watch the webinar and follow the instructions that David Deacle lays out. So pretty simple to do. It takes, once you, of course, watch the webinar, and you go through the steps. It's pretty quick to, of course, get everything set up. And then once you have everything set up, all you need to do is promote this link, and you could start getting into profit. So definitely looking forward to seeing you on the inside of this program. Looking forward to, of course, seeing you get results with this. But of course, check this out down below if you're, of course, interested in getting these results. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you got lots of value here, let me know your thoughts down below. Which of these affiliate programs you are, of course, planning to look into. And anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.